Pretty little black skin girl. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to a new YouTube video with a girl dipped in chocolates. So guys, this is my last weeks in Alaska. So I have planned, well, not my last week but my last month. So I have planned a couple things with my friends to go out and enjoy ourselves and to just do some recreational activities and, you know, capture some memories before we leave. So today I'm hoping that the rain gives us a chance to hike, because let me tell you, we have been experiencing a lot of rainfall. Hardly see the sun. When I go back to Jamaica, I go kiss the sun. No sun not there. I don't know what is sun, but I'm definitely going to enjoy myself in Alaska, because I don't think I'm gonna come back to Alaska. I don't think so, but might, but not sure. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm going hiking by the grace of God. Father God send along some sun so we can deal with the thing. But yeah, I hope all goes well and I enjoy myself. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell to be notified. I look so pretty.
Right.
Right. Alright guys, so this is the trailhead, and we're just gonna walk straight and, you know, keep on track as best as possible. Are you gonna do that? Deliberately?
That's why you use the hand them.
But just relax. You can't live there. Just check the map. And we lost. We're lost. But we're gonna hike in. We're too enough, but we're gonna hike in. You wanna see how far we're there? We're there. Oh, we take ourselves climb out.
Get them come away and go across. We no talk.
What to do? Guys, I was just laughing because I was talking about beer from the hike start. So when I actually see a bear, I couldn't believe. I didn't know what to do. Everything that I have been taught how to deal with a bear, it just came out of my head. I just laughed. I was just laughing the whole time. As we walk, we are walking up, and we look. What's this one bear that me couldn't believe? We have a bear spray, and we just spray it a while ago, but you know, better spray it to test it. Watch people them. White people, them and guys, some feel kind of safer. You know, them must know what to do. Them walk left way. Walk up the journey. Yes, sir. Them follow with the journey. What to do? So, watch out! Watch your car! Everything that was bad happened on that hike. Saw a bear. We didn't know what to do. We were alone. We lost track. We didn't know where we were going. It was just so awful, but it was so fun though. It was fun. Then we just, went out to the park and, the mountain viewing and eat some snacks and talk. Yeah, continue watching, guys. I'm there with a conversation, me look up to the skies. The Bible says, look up to the east. Someone's coming, my head coming from the Lord who make it heaven and hurt. When this I say, Lord God, this is a sign. Now the man, what is called? Parachute? What is called? Parasailing? Whatever this name in. This man done a limit the gym. No, them people are just do anything. So guys, this is next day. Me get ready. I'm never sure no the whole process of me getting ready. But I am going to dinner. I didn't have to fold up my pants foot because the bell foot pants are my short. And the whole of the pants are drop on the ground like a wedding dress. But anyways, let me do it properly. It looks so nice. You want to know how I smell? I smell good? No, sir. No, I wore my JLo cologne. That's one little expensive cologne. No. Then I go somewhere nice and eat my wear. Yeah, my top just look like nice. Look like one nice little foreign girl. Did I even tell you guys where I'm going? Anyways, I'm going to this restaurant called Chinooks. Alright. I don't know what type of restaurant it is, but it's Alaska, so it's most likely seafood restaurant. I'm kind of excited to go because I've been to Ray's, Apollo, Seesaw, Chalamark, Cookery, Pizzeria, all over. So each restaurant that I get the opportunity to go to, I'm excited because I don't know how the food is going to taste. I don't know if I might meet somebody or anything, so let's see how it goes. I'm not like, see the cologne here? It have a little buzz where it does smell good. Me, I smell it, and me, I think sorry, the girl I smell nice. So just imagine the past Maddie, and then maybe afraid to say it to me because, people not really say certain things to you. But me, I look into myself and I said, the girl I smell good. It's a JLo. JLo did that, but I'm going to be trying some more fragrances. I think fragrance has become my thing. So I'm going to try some soft smells. Because everybody around them demand them cologne. And them nasty say the ladies' colognes are top tier. Let me tell you, I've been watching a lot of content creators and they have been putting me on to some nice feminine soft girl things like fragrance, skincare products, sites and websites to buy some things for yourselves at reasonable costs. So I think I'm going to check it out and all of that. But for now, we're going to just go and save up a little trip lanes and so we can brush off later, right? I'm walking by myself and I feel kind of weird talking to my phone. So that's why my phone is down here and not up here. But yeah. Yes, so the view is so beautiful, guys. I got the window seats, so top tier. So for appetizer we have crab cakes. I'd give that a 5 out of 10. And then this is my meal, which is like a salad thingy, and I'll give that about 3 out of 10. This is a chicken pasta to say 2 out of 10. It wasn't really good. Yeah, so after dinner, I decided to walk on the port or the deck, whatever you want to call it, to take some photos, of course, and to just do some walking up and down. Yeah, it is so pretty though, cause the mountains. Let me tell you, you see this place, Alaska, is like a place where you'd only see on movies and all that. So I am trying to take in all these beautiful sceneries. Yeah. That's the glacier, guys, there. This is the ship. You know, it's really pretty. I'm at a boat docking, boat deck, whatever. So pretty. So one is coming in, Reliance is coming in, and Norwegian is going out. It is so beautiful though. It's the ship does slow. It's like 1 hour I take from move from right there so to right here, so can't really move too fast because it's so big. Maybe have over 100 rooms, plus it have pool, kitchen, all different type of things on the ship, yeah. And then you have this big old trailer truck coming in. Here it sounds like a big trailer truck. A live jellyfish. Look at it. Guys, look at the fish. What kind of fish? They may look like shark. Tiny sharks or whatever. Guys, we just get a whole freaking cooler of fish.
Can you get me the water?
Do you want me to bring you water? Yeah. I can't believe this. Oh my! If you ever wake up. So guys, I got this fish from a customer. They went out fishing and they caught only one fish and they gave it to me. So big up them right there. So the next clip is gonna be me cleaning it up. Yeah, a lot of blood and everything, but I'm going to cook it next. Hey my chocolate babies, welcome again. Alright, so today I'll be going on a boat trip, a boat ride in Alaska. Lady, come out and nice. Alright, so I'll be going to see some whales, some seagulls, and all of the sea life in the ocean. So you guys continue watching, comment. Yeah, I hope I can get a lot of footage for you guys so you guys can see what's going on and enjoy this experience with me. I'm looking so nice. I'm going to show you guys the full fit in just a few minutes, but let me tell you, I look so good. I'm feeling myself today. Look at that sun hitting my melanin. I am so nice. But anyways, yeah guys, you had watched me go to restaurants, do hiking and everything. So this is basically my last week in Alaska. So I'm just trying to give you guys a lot of footage as much as possible so that you guys can see the beauty of this place, because it's really beautiful. It's really nice. Sceneries are so breathtaking. You see like the view and everything. These are things that we see in movies and photos and all that. So to get the opportunity to see it in 3D in real life, it is just amazing, and I'm so grateful that I got this opportunity to, you know, explore this wonderful part of the world. So yeah, just continue watching, guys. Play Croft on your phone. take it because it's rare to see them out like this. So pretty. It's so big though.
They're huge.
Yeah. Guys, we just reached the location. So I booked on Kenai first, right? And we got Kenai first and then tell me say over major come and tell me why them stress me out in my young days. Look how big I don't know what I say. I said directions. We could have sit down and wait. How you want to go up and something? So guys, we're waiting on the boat. It's so must board it at 12 o'clock and it will take off at 12:30. I know it's like 11:30, so we have a lot of time. Yeah. So guys, I'm looking so nice. Wanna know about Black Beauty? Wanna know about melanin? Come over, talk to me, guys. Tell me what you know about beautiful black girls out here representing for the melodiousness of their skin. Come on, talk to me nice when you're talking to me. All right? Okay. So we're going on that boat, the major marine tours. So guys, I was on the harbor the other day and I saw one of these. I'm like, oh, I need to go on one. Look at me going on one manifestation. Yeah. Oh, this is something that was some maybe a longer one. This is the shorter one. I'm good.
Good you?
Yeah.
Alright, you can head on down. Welcome.
Okay,
Thank you.
thanks for the update.
Chapter 16 today. You're not stuck here all day. You're welcome to wander around the boat. Most just place for your stuff. All the outside scenes will be first come, first serve. Chapter 16 is going to be upstairs. You're going to be sharing that table between the parties. Yes, table 16, but you don't have to sit there all day. Hi guys, last name?
My Spalding.
Perfect. Alrighty guys, looks like I've got you at table number 2 today. You're not stuck here all day. You're welcome to wander around the boat. Most just place for your stuff. All the outside scenes will be first come.
Then get coffee.
You two grown-ups. I know those benches on the third deck look tempting, but they are slippery when wet, and that is a long way to fall, believe me. Parents of pick-upable children, children are not allowed on your shoulders. Please keep your body between your child and the railing when holding them, and absolutely do not hold your baby over that railing. There's nothing in this ocean that takes offerings, believe me, I have tried. Tower sticking up from behind the trees there. That's actually a guard tower. So right now you can see that building made of conics is right next to the green room. The little blue towers to the top of it, right?
a really good puffin right next to us, actually. Hasn't dove down yet. Let me come down our right side here just a minute. Really close to the bow, though. We don't get much better views than that. So it's very dense, thick ice. So in order to be a true iceberg, I said that this is not a true iceberg, it has to be 15 feet or more of exposed ice above the water surface.
So guys, we are back. We're going to the dock right now. And
So
yeah,
it's no longer active, but when it was active, coal mine, it's a heat coal.
it was really nice.
The train. And then the train
The captain is
takes that
talking
coal
right
to
now, so
Seward.
I'm gonna have to
There's
tell
mile
him
zero, the
how was it with
and there's a conveyor
I'll put
belt
on my
that
hair
really
because
long stretch.
I'm
And that
gonna
arm would actually swing
we get
over. And it would drop the
seasick.
coal into shipping
I
containers.
got
And then
seasick
the shipping containers would
and
take it
I just
to
started to
South
sleep.
Korea. So
My belly
no longer
started
active, like I said,
hurting.
but for the longest time.
Alright guys, so just come off. It was so nice. The scenery beautiful, breathtaking. I was a little seasick. Had to lie down for a little bit, but let me tell you, it was so nice. I tell you, beautiful, wonderful, wonderful experience. I would definitely do it again. I don't think I would do the 8-hour tour, but another 3 to 4 hours, perfect, just right. So guys, I went to Firebrand again. I got some riz and salad, so it was really good. After all of that excitement, guys, when I reach on my yard, I just drop asleep. But guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. All of my friends and people who are in Alaska who's watching this video, thank you guys so much for having me. It was such a wonderful experience, and big up on yourself every and anytime.